Do you struggle with hearing loss, tinnitus, or constant ear ringing? Introducing SonoVive, the breakthrough hearing support formula, designed to restore your natural hearing clarity. Clinically researched and crafted with 100% natural ingredient, SonoVive works to strengthen your auditory nerves and protect against age-related hearing decline. Thousands of Americans have experienced clearer hearing, reduced tinnitus, and improved focus, without risky surgeries or expensive devices. Imagine waking up to crisp, vibrant sounds, conversations, music, and nature, just like you used to. Recommended by experts like Laura W. Toner, SonoVive's powerful blend includes Ginkgo biloba, St. John's wort, and Bacopa monnieri, proven to enhance auditory health. For a limited time, SonoVive is available at an exclusive discounted price, but hurry, stocks are running out. Don't just take our word for it, see why thousands of satisfied users call SonoVive a life-changing solution for hearing support. SonoVive, one simple way to maintain a healthy hearing. I truly believe this formula will change your life. Click the link below to order SonoVive today and rediscover the joy of crystal clear hearing. Visit official website now. The official website link is mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.